yung game para sa global audience. So, para sa future plans nyo pa, aside from anniversary, gusto nyo pa rin bang mag-expand? Like, do you have any plans for expanding pa or anything? And baka may gusto kayong i-share na ganap ngayong mag-anniversary ang Frog Forge Go On.
Kakain lang naman kami.
No, yeah, bukod doon, syempre,
Dapat lang
to
naman.
celebrate. Pero, for future plans, I think na we're still on the stage of developing Lola Sutong Bahay. And we're still, continuing talaga kasi it's something na we're really excited to do. And it's something na parang deep to us kasi tagal na namin siyang ginagawa. And, hindi siya ganun madali. Pero it's a progress na we're there and we're, let's say, na enjoying to make it. And for futures, siguro it depends na din sa kung ano mangyayari. Pero, ayun, we're really glad na we're already near our 1-year anniversary kasi not to be pero parang just surreal lang siya sa amin, especially me.
Yeah.
Kasi, when we started the merge nung Millennium Flames and yung Cubeta, it also started in PGDX. So, it's like going back na kung ano yung nangyari, like, last year, parang we invited ulit kami, and then this time na kasama ko na yung mga sila Victor, which is yung na ka-merge ko last year. So ayun, parang natutuwa lang ako kasi the plans na medyo hesitant pa ako from the start is actually pretty going well. Na kakasundo kami and we're baga meron kaming isang goal, which is to create these games, and not just games pero other entertainments. From pwedeng yun sa next months. I think we're still continuing then.
Besides from continuing yung besides continuing yung game, of course we're still continuing the game. We want it to be finished then. Na parang yung release niya talaga. And aside from that, syempre, di naman kami mag-stop lang dun sa game na yun. Aside nga, we're featuring different games din as well. Pero we're not bound sa games lang eh. That's why we call ourselves an entertainment parang collaborative art studio, since we're not focusing on games solely. We do have plans for other stuff as well, like animation and mga personal individual projects din namin. Like for me, I have like inaalikabok na dalawang art novel na hindi ko pa nagagalaw. Pero ayun.
Yeah.
Animation plan din ni Miguel, meron din siya na inaalikabok na rin at hindi pa nagagalaw.
Ako yung inaalikabok na art magazine. Yeah, madaming mga projects na stop muna to really handle us. And now, parang every step na we take, we always have something na natututo kami or something to learn from ourselves. Kaya, we always take things slow. Kasi, progress is still progress.
Katulad ng sinabi nyo, madaming inaalikabok na projects na pwede nating abangan sa future, and I hope one day ma-share nyo siya sa public dahil katulad nga na sinabi ni Kuya Miguel kanina, progress is still progress. Tama yan. And kanina pa nababanggit ang mahiwagang PGDX na malaganap sa July 25 hanggang 27. Ayan, paulit-ulit nating nasabi yan simula ng ating meeting. So, ano ang inaabangan nyo ngayong this year, PGDX? May mga gusto ba kayong makitang booths? May mga gusto ba kayong bilihin? May mga gusto ba kayong gastusin? Ano pa ang gusto nyong gawin sa 3 araw na nandun kayo? Go, i-share nyo yan sa public, makipagtsikahan tayo.
Sticky Expo.
Matik yan.
Yeah.
Sige Expo. Sige Expo.
For sure, maraming mga bibilhin ng mga merch. Ayun, for me, I'm really just excited to attend this year's PGDX kasi, last year, sobrang enjoyable siya kasi ang dami naming nakakasalamuha na um, game devs and indie game devs. Ang dami naming mga nakausap na mga publishers and other opportunities na na-unlock namin from last year until now. So, it lang.
Hala.
Wala.
Dumating ata.
Dumating yung parcel.
Maliban sa mga laro sa Game Dev Expo, plano din namin makiconnect sa iba pang studio. Siyempre, share ng experiences and may connect kung gusto din ba nila makipag-collab or not. Or share lang ng thoughts and ideas nila. Kasi syempre, hindi naman competition ang PGDX or yung Indie Game Stars. Kumbaga, parang dito nag-gather lahat ng indie game studios or individuals para mag-gain pa ng experiences or knowledges sa iba pang mga experienced game developers. Kaya yun din yung aim namin ngayong PGDX maliban sa ma-present and ma-promote ang game natin.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
Kasi, ayan na siya.
Ikay muna.
Ah?
Ikay muna.
Okay, yung sa other things then to look forward is yun nga, nabanggit na yung parang meeting other people as well. And actually reconnecting with other fellow indies na na-meet namin ni Miguel during time namin with Piggy sa mentorship. Especially yung mga na-meet namin sa Boracay and our fellow indie cohorts then as well from other studios. And isa rin sa mga look forward ko dun is like, syempre, connections as well. Parang finding the right people to have insight na sa industry na matagal-tagal na. Gain knowledge regarding how to handle the studio, what's up with like moving forward na kami sa industry. Like parang, okay, we're stepping out of yung, pintuan na. Kasi last year, nakatapak pa lang kami sa door frame gan. Hindi pa kami nakakalagpas ng pintuan. Pero ngayon at least parang kahit nakasilip na kami yung ulo na namin nandun. And unti-unti na kami parang naglalakad papasok sa industry mismo. And yeah, yun. Potential then is kumbaga opportunities for other members din namin na gusto mag-work inside the industry. Parang referrals din sa kanila, especially mga gusto talagang magkaroon na experience within the industry, magkaroon na like job in the gaming industry or like animation industry kung pwede. And all that, I'm more on the business actually. And like connections and networking talaga.
More on both. Kasi, PGDX is a invention to have fun and to connect with people. So, yeah, yun, maraming gagastusin from merchandise. And excited din ako matry yung mga games. Like, kasi ang dami niya. I think mas marami siya today, this year. Pero ayun, I'm really excited to look forward that. And ayun, to meet new people and mga previous indie game devs na nakalala namin. So, would also be there. And ayun, ang daming na-unlock rin kasi na opportunity from last year. So, hanggang ngayon talaga nag-stick pa rin siya sa amin. Pero this year, we would also want to create more connections and to unlock possible opportunities for the future then.
Taray na mga answer niya doon. Ayun. Love it. Wait lang. So yan, madami tayong aabangan ngayong PGDX nitong July 25 hanggang 27. Of course, guys, mag-iingat kayo dahil unfortunately, hindi nyo makakasama ang inyong paboritong anik-anik girly. Pero syempre, pasalubong. Of course, huwag nyo kakalimutan. And ayun, mag-enjoy kayo. I hope you find more connections and maging happy ang lahat. And of course, we always gotta have to improve ourselves laban lang ng laban. Yan. Kaya naman, bago tayo mag-end, of course, baka may mga gusto pa kayong sabihin sa ating mga viewers, bago tayo magpaalam, may gusto kayong batiin, may gusto kayong paalalahanan, go, I'm giving you the stage and the center spotlight. Go. Paalam kayo,
Ayun, see you guys sa PGDX. I hope na makita namin kayo. And ayun, looking forward to see you all, and we're really excited na matry niyo yung mga games namin, especially yung Lola Sutong Bahay. So, ayan.
Actually, wala akong masabi, pero ano lang. Like, parang yun lang din. Like, catch us on PGDX is July 25, 26, 27. We're at table number 58.
Basta makita niyo ako doon, nandun kami.
Basta table number 58.
Yep,
Isang
table number
sisig sa table
58.
number 58.
Pwede lang.
Ikaw, Teven.
Ayun, see you at PGDX and hopefully matry nyo yung game namin. Kasi pag tinry nyo yung game namin, may chance kayo mapet si Bogart and malay nyo, bigyan kayo ni Bogart ng good luck and makuha nyo yung ano ba? and makakuha kayo ng freebies. Yes, nag-upgrade kami. Hindi na lalagyan na ng ice cream. Lalagyan na ng freebies.
Punta na kami para doon. Punta na kami para doon.
May fans na kami.
Tupperware na siya ngayon.
Nakaluwag-luwag na po yung frog board.
So,
Ay, grabe.
ayun.
Hindi, ganun pa rin.
From pins, meron na kaming stickers, crochet, tsaka button pins. Yun lang. Hope na makita ulit namin. Hope to see familiar faces too. Lalo na yung mga nakita nila Miguel sa Boracay. Yan.
Marami kaming
Oo.
guguluhin.
Yun. Hope to see them and hope to meet them kasi sila Miguel pa lang yung nakakausap sa kanila. Yun. And hopefully nga makipag-share ng insights and experiences with other indie game developers. And hopefully makadalo din sa mga workshops kasi ang ganda ng mga workshops and yung speakers nila is yung mga experience na talaga sa industry na ito. Yun lang. See you at PGTX.
Yan. See you guys. See you everyone. Makikita nyo ang ating mga kasama ngayon. Maliban sa akin dahil again, unfortunately, hindi nila ako kasama. Pero malay nyo naman, in the future plans, makikilala nyo na kung sino si Ligaya. And of course, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa ating progress report tonight. Maraming salamat sa pagsama. Siyempre, kasama niyo pa rin si Ligaya, ang inyong marketing specialist, together with Kuya Vic, our project manager, Kuya Miguel, our art director, and Ate Evan, our HR and PR. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nakinig, and hope to see you soon, guys. Mag-iingat ang lahat ngayong maulan na panahon. Thank you! Magbabay na kayo, guys. Bye!
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Wait lang, kapag nag-closing remarks ba, gusto nyo magbabay, ganun. Abangan nyo kami sa ganito, ganyan. Gusto nyo mag-ganon? Sige.
Pwede.
Go. Game.
So, parang sa wish bus lang ganyan.
Hi! Hit the like and subscribe button!